Hey, and welcome to the YepText Classroom, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add Yepwords into your account without having to upgrade your account to a new pricing plan. So to do this, all you have to do is click on the Yepwords tab right here, and you will be taken to this page where all your Yepwords will be displayed. Now you'll notice a little green button here called Add More Yepwords. All you have to do is click that, and a little area will pop up on your screen that says adding Yepwords. How many additional Yepwords would you like to add? All you have to do is choose how many you would like to add. Let's say 3, for example. It'll tell you price per additional Yepword is $10. The total amount is going to be $30, and all you have to do is click submit. Once you do that and you click submit, instantly you will see your account right up top here change from however many Yepwords you had to the new amount of Yepwords that you have added plus whatever you had before. So that is a very cool feature inside of YepText that we have added to allow you the ability to add more Yepwords without you having to actually upgrade your plan and upgrade your text messages when you just want to add maybe 1 or 2 or all the way up to 20 Yepwords into your account. So that pretty much wraps up this video. Thank you for watching, and hopefully this demonstration was easy enough for you to follow, and I will see you in another video.